Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Today we are learning to draw an explosion, easy and fun.
Let's begin, guys.
So today we are preparing
Pencil and eraser.
Yes. So first of all, we draw a horizontal line. You can see here is a horizontal line below the paper.
Yep.
Let's start with the brightest position in the middle, okay?
Yep.
So we could just put little points here first, right? We use the radiating pointed shape, okay? Like this. So the connect part use arc. And some's longer and some is shorter. This part I could fix a little bit.
And we're done.
Usually the top part is it's longer, you know, the top part.
Okay.
This one, I'm gonna fix a little bit, put longer.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're drawing the second layer. The second layer,
Yep.
it's a bright yellow. Some parts are covered by the white. So this part is white, right? The second one, I'm gonna draw here. So we draw the different arc and half circle. Some is smaller, okay? And some you could use bigger. Okay. The third layer is similar to the second layer, only the higher it's different, okay? They are shaped like clouds, so they're similar. Some is taller, some is smaller.
Wow, this looks interesting. It's so fat. It looks so puffy and squishy.
Okay, and now we draw in the last layer. This layer we are using red, okay? Let's draw a more arc first, okay? Some arc, just like this one, but bigger.
Oh, that's a big arc,
Yep.
bro. That's
Big
large. Oh, that's so big.
The last layer, the point, is you have to draw some pointing shape, okay? The explosion of the red line, okay? So I'm gonna put the pointing shape here, like here, and even here. Okay. And the last part, we draw in some like small dots or some little circle. That's the splashing of a fire. Right here. Okay. Even different layer, we could add some little circle. Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
You can see the explode, right? Different layer.
For me, this looks like a squishy, spiky bush.
Of the color, so it looks more real, okay? So you ready? We're starting to coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, it looks like a cartoon.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.
Bye bye.